clay cleanser and the mask is a fantastic idea. I mean, it serves as a multitasker, so you can basically use one product to serve two purposes, and that will speed up your skincare routine. Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys my first impressions of two new skincare products from Fully, so keep on watching guys. First up is the Fully Clay Cleanser and Mask. This product contains 49% green tomato extract, which is known for its skin conditioning and pore minimizing properties. So I went ahead to read a little bit more about what green tomato extract does to the skin, and I found out that it has anti-aging properties, which includes vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and it also helps in brightening of the skin because of the vitamin C that it has. It has astringent properties that can help reduce excess oil production, which is a common cause of acne. It's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and also I also found that it helps with collagen production. The vitamin C in green tomato extract plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. The serum is infused with 67% green tomato and vitamin C, known for boosting skin elasticity, and also it is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of pores quickly. The serum offers an instant improvement in skin texture, making it smoother and more refined. And it doesn't contain any synthetic fragrances or essential oils, which can potentially cause skin irritation, and it is suitable for all skin types. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how my face look before applying any of the skincare products. Before applying the product on my face, I'm going to steam my face first. It's been a while I steamed my face, so I feel like this time it's actually the right time for me to steam my face, since I'm going to be cleansing and I'm going to be applying the marks on my face, and these marks basically help to draw out the impurities and deep cleanse your skin. So, and I feel steaming, incorporating steaming will help to maximize its benefits, just because steaming helps to open up the pores. So any dirt or impurity that is trapped into my pores, the steaming will help me open up my pores, and that will help the cleanser and the mask to deep cleanse my skin by drawing down the impurities. The particles in the mask is mint leaf, which works as a natural exfoliant for your skin, and it is 100% vegan. It means the product is made entirely from plant-based or synthetic materials and nothing from animals. So I use it as a cleanser first by putting a little bit in my palm and going ahead to work that into my skin, and my skin feels so clean. It feels really clean and visibly clearer. Next, I'm going to use same product as a mask. I'm going to apply a thicker layer, then leave it on for 10 minutes max. So I'll come back and show you guys. So it is time for me to take this off. It has dried completely. So after cleaning my face, I'll make sure I pat that dry, then I'll go ahead and apply the serum. So for the serum, I shaked it really well so that the ingredients in it will be well incorporated into one another. And I went ahead to add like few drops on both sides of my face and my forehead, and I patted that into my skin. Recently, I realized that it is best to pat your serum into your skin as opposed to rubbing it in, since it's meant to go deep into the skin. So I think it makes sense to pat it into the skin, and you can almost see how my skin looks really hydrating, and also it looks glowy and really healthy. So guys, this is the moment of truth. I am so impressed with this product from Fully. The clay cleanser and the mask is a fantastic idea. I mean, it serves as a multitasker, so you can basically use one product to serve two purposes, and that will speed up your skincare routine. For the clay cleanser, you can basically use it every day, but if you're going to be using it as a mask, you want to limit it to once or twice a week depending on your skin type. This clay doesn't have any form of scent. It doesn't have any fragrance or whatsoever, which made it more suitable for all skin types. If you have a sensitive skin, be rest assured that it's not going to irritate your skin, because it doesn't contain any fragrance. It doesn't have any fragrance at all. And after using it, my skin feels like it is properly, like professionally, like dermatologically, cleansed. That is how I felt. When you, in the parts where I am from, when we are trying to purify water, like in a traditional way, we usually get what is called alum. We put it in water just to like purify it before bathing with it, especially well water. So when you use that to bathe, there's a way your skin feels afterwards. Like it feels like it's dry, not in a bad way, not like it's tight or super tight. It usually feel like you had a good bath. That is what I felt from this cleansing, from this clay cleanser, and using it as a mask. Like my face feels properly cleansed. It's not like when you cleanse your face, it's feeling like a slippery. That is not, and it made my skin looks visibly clearer. I saw that, guys. I saw that first, and it's lightweight. It feels like when you're applying on the skin, it feels like you're using an avocado butter. When you match the avocado, you match it really, really well, and you're smearing it on your skin. That is how it feels on the skin. And I left the mask on my face for 16 to 17 minutes. When it was getting to about the 16th to 17th minute, it was feeling a little bit tight, but not in a bad way. If I had left it longer, maybe it would have gotten to the stage where to start cracking. I really do not know. Then for the serum has a lightweight finish into it, and also it has a bit of scent, a little bit, when you perceive it, a little bit, but once you start applying it on your skin, that scent disappears. But it has a little mild, like a nature's fragrance to it, and it feels so cooling, like you are using aloe vera gel. It feels so cooling on the skin, and it left my skin feeling fresh and glowy, hydrating. You guys can see how it looks. And also when it comes to the stickiness, I will rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. I'll give it 1 point or 2/10. So I'll be using this regularly, and I'll update you all on my progress. If you're interested in getting this product, I'll be leaving a link in the description box, and it is also on Amazon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, subscribe for more skincare videos like this. And here is my skin before the fully skincare, and here is my skin after the fully skincare. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section.